Future Stephanie here. So I know one of my lashes looks very bad, but just ignore this, please. Thank you so much. Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be an anti haul because Christmas is right around the corner. Like, I am a little bit stressed about it. Just before to dive in the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and not so much Snapchat. And without further ado, let's go into this. So the first thing that I will not buy, sorry, my girl is with me, so she's noisy as usual, but yeah. So the first thing I will not buy is the Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party set. So in Canada it's not cheap at all, and as we know, Too Faced Christmas products are not good, so maybe this one is, I don't know, I never try it, but it's not, yeah, it's not the best product that you can find on the market right now. My nose is running. So the eyeshadow looks stunning. I love the color range in it, so it's not like just a warm tone shadow. They have like a pop of blue, a purple one, and everything, but just because Too Faced are not, how to say this, they are not having the best product for Christmas, will not buy this stuff. Also, will not buy the Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes to Hypnotize eyeshadow palette. It looks stunning. The color looks a little bit blech, but the price of it, it's like, oh no, it's way too pricey for what it is. I don't know how these shadow perform, but with this price they need to blend by itself. Like, it's almost 100 bucks, and the shadow looks a little bit too boring for me. So yeah, I just think that ColourPop have better palette for way less than this, and you can find anything on ColourPop. So you can have like a super intense crazy color, or you can have like a super natural stuff too. So why I will buy this instead of the ColourPop one. Also in the same stuff, the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a Face and Eyes palette. Again, this is way too boring for the price. It's just way too pricey for me, and it doesn't like wow me enough to put my money on this. So yeah, I had all of these stuff in my palette right now, so it's not new. It's not like, maybe for someone who start makeup, but if you start makeup, will you be willing to put that much money on it? So I don't know, it's a no-no for me. Also, I will not buy the Tarte Winter Wonderglam Luxe Eyes palette, just because Tarte have the same reputation as Too Faced for Christmas stuff. It's not the best stuff on the market. So yeah, and the palette looks gorgeous, but it's way too bulky for like day-to-day stuff, like if you travel a lot or something like this. So for me it's way too bulky, but it looks good with the sequin on it and everything. But yeah, and the price is not so bad, so I don't know if it's the shadow perform well or not. I didn't see anything on YouTube about this palette, so I don't know. Next, it's the Clinique Black Honey Lips and Eyes Bedazzled set. So I never try some Clinique stuff, like ever, I think. So I don't know if it's good, if it's not. It's just of what I see here. So the price is not that bad, but just the color shadow are looking a little bit boring for me. It's looked like a the Urban Decay mini palettes that they had like a few years ago. I had one, so it looks a lot like this. The packaging is stunning, it's super glittery and everything, but yeah, you had like the palette that looks... The lipstick, well, I don't know if it's sheer or not, but it's super dark. The mascara that I didn't try, and a black liner that also I never tried, so I don't know if it's good or if it's not. But yeah, it's just a little bit too boring for me. Like, I already had something like this in my collection, so you know. Also, I will not buy the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Loose Highlight Set just because with the price. I was looking at it before because I really want to try the loose highlights, but when I see the price, I was like, no girl, it's way too pricey, and they are pretty much super tiny also, and yeah, I'm just not willing to put a lot of money on this. And I had so much highlight, and the Wet n Wild loose highlight are so good and they are so cheap. And the Wet n Wild loose highlight is gonna last me like forever because you don't need a lot of it, and you had like a jar. So yeah, so it just not wow me enough to put all this money on it. So now this, I will not buy the Kat Von D Lolita Pour Vida eyeshadow palette. First, this palette looks stunning. The color range in it, it's my jam. You know the girl here, she loves her purple, she loves her pink, so I love this stuff, but I will not buy anything from Kat Von D since the Untitled stuff. So yeah, it's not, I can't, so I will skip this stuff even if it's beautiful. The price is a little bit higher, but all makeup this year was super expensive. Also, this, I will have like a lot of heat with this. I will not buy the Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson palette just because I watched all the series and I was so hyped by this, and I was like, oh, I need this palette so much, like everyone who watched the series. But when I saw the final stuff, I was like, it doesn't inspire me at all. Like, some shade are beautiful, like Trisha is beautiful, the green food video is beautiful. The other one, it's like, oh man, I don't know what to do with this. Like, if I open this right before me, I just don't know what high looks I'm gonna wear. It just doesn't inspire me at all. So, and the palette looks stunning, the packaging and everything, but it's bulky. Like, it's a collection product. Like, I'm a fan of Shane Dawson. I never tried Jeffree Star eyeshadow, and they supposedly are stunning, beautiful, everything, but yeah, I'm just not like inspired at all with the palette. So, but they sold out, so if it's not me that's gonna change everything there. So yeah, I will not buy the black and white ColourPop palette. And when I saw this picture, I thought that it was a black and white picture and like they hint with some new stuff, but it is a black and white palette. So right now in my collection I have the Urban Decay Smoky palette that is not available anymore, but I have it, so I will not buy this one just because I don't put a lot of like a smoky eyes, like a black and white smoky eyes kind of stuff, so I don't need two palette of it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video, even if it's more on the negative side because it's an anti-haul. But yeah, I love to do this because seriously, we had so much makeup going out. It's crazy to just keep it up because every week it's like 50 stuff that came out. So yeah, I just love, it's not because I hate the brand. It's just because some stuff, like I said, I already have some in my collection, or it's just like this, so don't take it personally, you know. I hope you like this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.